Good morning, our chef fans. How you doing? This is your Chef Albert. We're making Kobe cheddar and white cheese, egg, 2 eggs, hot. We got a hot dog here, New York style, and a pork sausage as well, being cooked right now. We're gonna, instead of using bread, we're gonna use a romaine lettuce. Because I like my eggs over hard, so that means I don't want the yolk to be runny. But I put cheese inside. Yes, I cook all three at the same time. It gives it extra flavor that way. You start off with a high heat. Put a little olive oil in this too. You don't want it to stick. Cause it's non-stick, but you know how non-stick works after a while. When it's new, it don't stick. Cast iron. I usually cook with cast iron. Those steaks that I made in the prior video yesterday, they were made in cast iron, so no oil. So this egg is ready. The hot dog is ready. I believe the pork sausage is ready as well. This is ground pork. You've seen me use ground pork before. Okay, let's get this in a plate. Okay, so I cleaned off a large romaine lettuce leaf. You can use 2 of them. It's not gonna hurt. Let me use instead of using prongs, let me grab the egg. So the egg can go down in first, like so. Now, some people would towel off the egg, put the egg on top of a paper towel. If you don't want the flavor. Okay. Since this is bun-sized hot dog, might want to go like so. And then we're gonna put the sausage next to it like so. Then you can add your seasoning. Just a little runoff in my hand here. You can put it to the side like that. Okay. I don't have to waste food since things are expensive as it is. That's professional. This is professional skillet. Stainless. I got a whole setup there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I can put mustard. I would put hot sauce on this. What I made last night was delicious, by the way. You should try it. Yeah, this is this hot dog. It's made by it's New York hot dog company. It's just like the kosher one, Sanabini, Sanabonos, whatever it's called. I don't normally tell you what brand to buy, but it's not that there's not many out there that looks like this. I tried the kosher ones from Hebo Nash and I didn't care for them. I don't think they're miniaturized. They're like half the size when you cook them. Okay, so here we can put you can put salt. This is coarse pepper. I'm only showing you what I use. I'm not promoting no company. Any companies out there see me using their product, they should say so. I'm using Himalaya pink salt. So I don't put too much on there. Now, today I could use spirulina Tabasco sauce. It's optional. You really don't have to use this brand. I mean, I can put Jamaican hot pepper on there. But that might be a little bit too hot. Now, with this, we could have it like this, or we can put another layer on top. Let me show you what else I can do. Okay, so I'm going to use some of this creamy poppy seed, okay? Put it on top. You can put your mustard. I don't feel like eating mustard in the morning. So, that's poppy seed. Okay, here's another leafy lettuce. Now, instead of going like this way, you can actually go this way, see? And you can cover it. Does that look nice? That's all. Then you can slice it. I recommend slicing it. Okay. Okay, let's show you how it looks like sliced. Okay, so this is how it looks sliced. Let's go Go down closer. You have your egg, your hot dog, your sausage, into a romaine leaf. If you're concerned about your carbs, well, I am too, so I'm concerned about carbs. So I cut down as much. Sometimes I have rice, and all the time. But bread, once in a blue moon. You want to be careful. All right, there you go. Bon appetit, everybody. I mean, you can put anything you want in this, but try it. Tastes good. You can put avocado, guacamole. I thought we ordered some. I didn't see it in the package. Anyway, yes. We have Walmart come to the house with Walmart Plus. I'm not promoting it. I'm just saying. Yeah, we don't go out like we used to. This is like come to the house. Anyway, all right. Thank you for watching. Hey, hit that subscribe button, okay? That does help the channel grow. We're trying to get 1,000 of you subscribed, okay? Oh, wait, ooh, this says, oh my cow. This says limited edition. Ooh. This is good stuff, by the way. Yeah, that's Walmart brand. I think another brand. I don't think they make it. I think it's made for them. Okay, take care. Oh, you like the purple plate? Yeah, it looks pretty cool, huh? Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and thumbs up. It's very important. Today is a different world we live in. All right, you can help me very much, and I do appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.